Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a car that brings back the essence of American luxury with a modern twist. The 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Yes, the legendary nameplate that once defined elegance. Comfort and pure automotive class has made a grand return. But this time, Lincoln has blended nostalgia with next-generation technology, turning the Mark V into a true flagship for the modern era. So buckle up, because we're about to explore every inch of this majestic machine, from its timeless design to its cutting-edge performance. Asterisk. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V, you instantly feel that old-school charm infused with a futuristic identity. The front end commands attention. A massive chrome-finished grille dominates the face, inspired by the 1970s Mark V, but reshaped with a sleek, modern contour. The Lincoln emblem glows softly at the center, surrounded by adaptive pixel-LED headlights that extend slightly into the fenders. The lighting design is stunning when you approach the car. The lights perform a subtle welcome sequence, illuminating the ground with the Lincoln logo. The sculpted hood stretches long and proud, with bold lines that define luxury in motion. Asterisk. From the side, the Mark V's grand proportions become even more impressive. This is a full-size luxury sedan with coupe-like grace. Its silhouette is elongated, with a sweeping roofline that effortlessly blends into the rear deck. Chrome trims outline the windows and door handles, adding that signature Lincoln sophistication. The massive 21-inch turbine-style alloy wheels give it a planted, confident stance, while the soft closed doors and retractable handles showcase its attention to refinement. You'll also notice the frameless mirrors and subtle Mark V badging, both paying homage to the classic era while keeping things undeniably modern. Asterisk. Moving to the rear, the design language becomes bold yet elegant. The taillights form a continuous LED bar stretching from side to side, echoing the classic Continental heritage. The rear bumper houses hidden exhaust outlets, giving the car a clean, aerodynamic finish. The trunk lid features a gentle lip spoiler, and the Lincoln badge sits proudly at the center. When you see the car drive away at night, the illuminated taillight signature leaves an unforgettable impression, timeless and futuristic all at once. Asterisk. Step inside, and you immediately understand what Lincoln means by quiet luxury. The cabin feels like a private jet lounge. Everything from the seat stitching to the soft-touch dashboard materials has been crafted with obsession to detail. The seats are wrapped in premium bridge of weir leather, with 30-way adjustability, massage functions, and climate control for all passengers. The ambient lighting glows through thin crystal accents embedded along the doors and console, setting a calming mood. The steering wheel, trimmed in leather and wood, feels substantial and precise. Asterisk. At the center, a massive 15-inch OLED display integrates seamlessly into the dash, supported by a fully digital 12-inch driver cluster. The infotainment system is powered by Lincoln's latest SYN-COS, offering wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, integrated Alexa, and even voice-controlled seat and lighting functions. A 20-speaker Revel Ultimo 3D audio system surrounds you in rich, immersive sound. The back seats are equally luxurious, offering reclining options, fold-out trays, and dual entertainment screens. Every inch of this cabin whispers sophistication. Asterisk. Under the hood, the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V offers two powertrain options. The standard version comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing around 420 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. But for those seeking the ultimate experience, there's the plug-in hybrid variant, pairing the V6 with an electric motor for a combined output of 510 horsepower. Power delivery is smooth and effortless, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 4.5 seconds. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, providing both performance and calm cruising. Lincoln's adaptive air suspension system adjusts ride comfort dynamically, absorbing road imperfections like they don't exist. The result? A drive that feels powerful, quiet, and graceful. Exactly what a Continental should be. Asterisk, the car's handling is surprisingly poised for its size. The steering feels responsive and confident, while the all-wheel drive system distributes torque intelligently, keeping the ride stable even on tight curves. The hybrid model offers an electric-only range of about 35 miles, perfect for city driving without using a drop of fuel. Efficiency, performance, and comfort blend together beautifully in this grand machine. Asterisk, as for the price. The 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V starts around $85,000 for the base model and goes up to nearly $110,000 for the top-of-the-line hybrid Black Label Edition. That may sound like a lot, but considering the craftsmanship, technology, and heritage baked into this car, it's a worthy investment for anyone who appreciates true luxury. Asterisk. If you're someone who misses the golden age of American luxury cars but wants the technology and refinement of today, the Mark V is the perfect combination. It's not trying to chase the Germans or the Japanese. Instead, it's proudly American, with a unique sense of class and composure. My suggestion: if you want a car that makes a statement, not through loudness, but through presence, this is the one to consider. Asterisk. So, what do you think of the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V? Has Lincoln finally brought back the soul of true luxury? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we explore another automotive masterpiece redefining the road ahead. Asterisk.